In this video, I guide you to manually install Windows 10 brand new major update. There are two methods.
All of you heard about update. It's very important to protect from ransomware, threat protection, performance optimization, and get new features. I upload similar tech videos. Your support very important. Click on subscribe button below and hit bell icon to get notification when I upload video. To manually install Windows brand new major update, there are two methods. Method 1 is go to Start, Settings, Update and Security. You will see Feature Update to Windows 10 new version. Click on Download and Install. Download speed depends on your internet speed. After download, installation takes around 20 minutes. You can schedule, update and restart, or use power button to restart and update. If you are not seeing update or any problem, go to troubleshoot. Click on Windows Update. It will resolve problems in update. If this also not work, no need to worry. I have solution. Method 2 is that. Open browser, search Windows 10 download, click on this link, download Windows 10 Media Creation Tool, download it and open it. It will start checking the system, getting a few things ready, click on accept, wait. It asks for upgrade this PC now or create installation menu. Click on create installation menu if you want to use it for another PC. Select the language, edition, architecture, or click on use the recommended options for this PC. Do choose USB flash drive. Choose ISO. If you want to install from another computer, we'll make a bootable drive from ISO file. Click on ISO file. Click on next. Select the destination where you want to save ISO file. It starts downloading. After downloading, open the Windows 10 ISO file. Click on Setup exe. If you have good internet connection, click on next. Otherwise, change how Windows setup downloads update. If you have a slow internet connection, click on not at the moment. It starts checking the PC for updating. Accept the license terms. It prepares the PC for upgrade. Now system is ready to install. All your personal files and apps will be saved. Just it upgrade the PC. It start installing. It will take around half an hour. It will restart several times and start up with the brand new Windows 10. Your support very important. Click on subscribe button below and hit bell icon to get notification when I upload video.